Hello, welcome to Musepod. Today I'm going to introduce you to our one of the flagship and best-selling product, MP1. This is perfect for single-person use and meeting, and the moment you need that you want to talk in private and nobody wants to hear, you want nobody to hear what you are talking about. Now, this is perfect for that kind of use cases. So as you can see, if I come inside and go. So you cannot hear anything when I'm inside. And when you come inside, I can show you about all our products. This complete product is made of eco-friendly materials. The powder coating used here came from Tiger powder coating from Austria. It is 100% eco-friendly, and everything, this is aluminum, this is steel. So everything we use is eco-friendly. Now, this product is also very well sound insulation performance. This has a sound insulation rating of 30.3 decibels, which is like ISO 23351 graded class A. So if you come in, and we can see that we have like a very great noise insulation. Now, how this sound insulation is achieved is like we have a 7-layer acoustic panel here, and the 7-layer acoustic panel here, and top and bottom. So all the sound is absorbed from the repelled from the outside, and if I'm talking inside, the sound is also absorbed. So it has a very well sound insulation performance. The glass we use is also 3-layer glass. Double layer laminated glass. Inside layer is just for sound insulation. That's how we get such a great sound insulation performance. Now this product also has a very well ventilated. The air comes from top and goes out through the bottom, from there. And in every minute, the air is changed. So in 1 hour, about 55 times, the complete air is changed. It is completely fresh and new. And now let's talk about the design and ergonomics of this product. So we have a Mitsubishi Guide light. That is designed in such a way that the light has correct temperature and is very comfortable for the eye. You can also adjust the light. And it has about 2,700 lumens, and the color temperature is 3,500. Now it also has a ergonomic door handle, so it's very easy to hold and open, and it also has a magnetic door. So that means when you use or open or go out, the bolt will not come out, and it's very easy for you. And everything you use inside also very ergonomic. We have wireless charger. We have modular power, so if something is broken, you can just plug in anyone when it's done. We have coffee cup holder. It's perfect for using while standing. Also, you can sit down and work. And this product is very well made. It will last you a long time. It has a 10-year warranty for the frame and outdoors, and it has a 5-year warranty for the furnitures and a 3-year warranty for the electrical equipment. Now let's show you from the product from the outside. This is how it looks from the left side. This is how it looks from the back side. It looks beautiful. Now, this is how it looks from this side. Now, thank you so much for coming with me. I hope I can see you in the next one.